Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about the Cosanta token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. We are only search for the investing. According to the white paper, Cosanta is a proof of stake POS blockchain network designed to provide an energy efficient approach to securing its ecosystem while supporting a native digital assets. COSA, unlike proof of work networks that rely on intensive computational resources, COSATA uses a staking based consensus mechanism in which network participants contribute to security by holding and staking their coins. This approach reduces the hardware and energy requirements associated with network validating while maintaining distributed participation. The native cryptocurrency of the network, COSA, has a fixed maximum supply of 56.04 million coins. The supply cap is defined at the protocol level, managing that no additional coin that can be created beyond this limit. This fixed issue model is intended to provide participable monetary issuance and transparent supply dynamically over the lifetime of the network. Consta project institution rating is 3.5. Consta token total supply is 65.33 million and circulating supply is around 1.39 million COSA token. COSA token is listed on PancakeSwap V3, V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.